Hello guys, welcome to my channel GMZone. This is just going to be very fast. I'm not going to take much of your time. For you to convert or get an hair image or to generate a hair image of yourself, it's very simple. Let me assume for now, for instance, let me select one of my image. Let me use the one I'm putting on this my NYC clothes. Okay. So this is it. This is how it is. One and the sweetest part of this is that you can use any guy or any female image. If you are a guy, you can use a lady one. Now this is a guy image and I'm a male. I can, if I'm a female, I can convert in that look alike to be a female, which I'm a guy, but I'm a male, right? You understand? Okay, I am just going to proceed. I want to change the color of the hair to anyone, you can see it, but I'm not changing any color, so I'll just skip. I don't need all these ones. Guys, you can see that it's very easy and easy. It does just convert everything so easy with no stress. Now you can click on the download icon to download any of these. You don't want to download all, but if you want to download all, you just click on download the whole pack. That is what you're just going to click on, and it's as easy as that. Let me just for instance just download one of these. Let me download this. Yeah, it's downloaded. We can go to our gallery to check it. So it is here already. I've just downloaded it. It's very simple and easy. So let's now go back. Here we are now. So you can see from here, for you to be able to get the AI image, you see the one that is written Look Lab is the one you are going to interact with. Look Lab is those ones you are going to interact with. The one that is written Look Lab, start Look Lab. This one is Look Lab. You go down, you look for Look Lab. This one also is a Look Lab. It's as easy as that. So guys, if you really want to get this app, you message me on my WhatsApp. My number is dropped below this video. Also, it's showing to you on this video particularly. Just message me up on WhatsApp. It is free, no subscription, no payment at all, 100% free. And that's really why particularly I'm wanted to give this out to people, and which is just in 60 seconds you have already gotten your AI image generated of your own self. Thank you. It's as simple as that, and God bless you. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.